And still staying in Nigeria, Nigeria's Minister for Humanitarian Affairs has visited vulnerable people living in the Makoko area of Lagos State to assess the challenges of the people there and to understand the level of assistance they need. According to the minister, this was in line with the president's plan to lift vulnerable Nigerians out of poverty. Akede has more.
Their compatriots.
President Tinubu's first independence speech was one that will be remembered. It hammered on the current economic challenges faced by Nigerians and how his government seeks to address them. As part of a 6-point plan, the president made mention of the disbursement of 25,000 naira to vulnerable Nigerians to help cushion the current hardship. In line with this, the Honorable Minister for Humanitarian Affairs, Dr. Betta Edu, paid a visit to Makoko in Lagos.
We have seen that certain aspects of the Makoko was covered under the National Social Register. However, the last area that we came from, they were not reflected on the National Social Register, and so we will be coming back to do a targeted capturing of the people in this area.
There, however, has been concerns about the names that will eventually make it to the register of those to receive the promised financial support. On News Central's Breakfast Show, the minister addressed this issue.
So we have a National Social Register that has about 15.7 million households. That amounts to about 62 million Nigerians on individuals on that National Social Register. We also have the Rapid Response Register, which is the register we use to pick up names.
Dr. Edu also took time to respond to questions surrounding the N-Power program. N-Power is an initiative of the previous government which was aimed at tackling youth unemployment and to re-energize public service development in education, agriculture, health, and vocational training.
We found situations where they took on more persons exactly than was budgeted for. Situations where we have people who their details are not corrected. So these people cannot get paid until they are completely verified. Some others have exited this program since last year. These are challenges that we are having with the Empower. The permanent secretary is in charge of that committee working with the consultant who his contract has expired, and we want to know what he has done, and of course try to see how we can entirely restructure.
The school feeding program, also initiated by the previous government, has equally been a topic of controversial debate. When asked if the new administration will continue with the program, Dr. Edu responded by saying,
so altogether about 9 million people are said to have been fed by the school feeding program. I want to say that first, it's a very good program and we will continue with it. The only thing we'll be doing is completely restructuring the program and of course the way of implementation so that it can be more effective.
In September 2023, the Global Finance magazine reported that Nigeria was ranked 48th poorest country in the world with a GDP of $6,178. To improve these statistics, the new minister certainly has her work cut out for her. Akede, reporting for News Central.